sa ating mga ka-travel buddies dyan. Hello, hello everyone. Welcome once again sa ating live session dito sa Jetliner Express. This is your travel buddy Andrew, and here with me.
Yes! Hello guys, it's me again. This is Clark, your travel buddy. And we're happy to serve you again in this live session. And I'm so excited for this wonderful topic. And I'm sure you're gonna love it.
Yes.
Bagay na bagay yan sa background music natin, di ba?
Yes, speaking of bagay na bagay. So, we'll be talking about yung mga bagay na mga pagmumula natin ng mga pagmamahal or inspirations like that. And dahil dyan, ang pag-usapan natin ay smart planning for a memorable couple tour.
Yes. And I know it's too early for February. Yeah. But this wonderful topic, because we're done with Solo Traveler last week.
Yes.
And I hope you learned a lot from one of our guests. Okay. Shout out to our lovely guest, Rubilin and Coach Marcy.
Yes, sila yung ating guest last week. And for today's episode sa ating live session, abangan nyo po.
Yes,
yung
we also
ating
have
guest.
a special guest.
Yes.
And she gonna tell us a lot of stories regarding on her most memorable couple tour. Yeah. So are you guys excited?
Ako, hindi ako makaranig sa couple ko eh. Anyway, sa ating mga travel buddies dyan, that are couples, then this live session for today dito sa Jetliner Express is really good for you guys. So don't miss this live session, okay?
Yes. December ngayon, kahit malamig ang Pasko, maganda pa rin pakinggan ang couple tour na live session ngayon. So if you have some friends out there who are planning to try for a couple tour in the future, please share it, okay? And please send your comment down below if you have some questions.
Yes. And regarding sa ating mga comments or questions, abangan nyo rin yung ating upcoming raffle draw this coming January, right?
Yes, on January 6th, we will start doing a raffle draw from November, December, and January, first week. For those who like, share, do some comments, answer some trivia questions, and participated on our icebreaker questions. So lahat po yan. So, and I'm so glad kasi when we started, brother, on our TikTok, we only have around 100 followers.
Okay.
Right now, we're moving up to 344 for just few days lang.
Oh.
Kasi bago lang kasi yung TikTok account natin. But for all of our friends out there from sa Facebook, thank you so much for supporting us, and we love you so much, guys. Yeah.
But just, of course, hinahangad natin yung ating Jetliner Express, yung ating pages, followers, ating TikTok account as well, ay magkaroon pa rin tayo ng mga engagement and support coming from you guys ng mga ka-travel buddies natin dito sa Jetliner Express.
Yes. And for those who are new, I would like to introduce to all of you our agency. Our travel agency is Jetliner Express Global Travel Services. And yours truly, I'm the business owner of this company. And we've been in the industry for 9 years already and still counting, And we have different varieties of travel services, such as flight ticketing, hotel bookings, ferry bookings, especially in the Philippines, And we also have we also do visa assistance for those our friends and colleagues and friends out there who wanted to visit countries like in Europe, UK, US, Canada. Japan, China, Korea, and even Australia and New Zealand. And for US, guys, we assist you. We do some mock interviews. We help you with the S-160 form, and we help you prepare all of it before your appointment. We help you out with the appointment as well. And what else? We also help you with passport processing, especially for our Filipino clients, no? And then car rental services wherever you go, and especially holiday packages. Okay, ang holiday packages natin, we offer for more than 80,000 packages. That's available on our holiday 2 shop website. Just visit our website at www.jetlinerexpressglobal.com. Again, that's www.jetlinerexpressglobal.com. There you can see 2 holiday 2 shop buttons. We have holiday 2 shop Philippines and holiday 2 shop UAE. So wherever you're staying, so you just click on that and you can see different packages, and that would be updated on January, guys. We're so far we're compiling all of the packages kasi masyado siyang marami kasi we are affiliated with different tour operators worldwide. We are connected with more than 190 countries. So sobrang dami niyan. So wherever you want to go, so just click it, the destination, and then choose the right package for you. If ever the packages hindi siya fit for your needs, don't worry, because we do customization of your packages. We based on your needs, wants, and of course budget.
Yes.
So just let us know where do you want to go, how many people are you traveling, and how much is your budget, definitely, and of course when is your target travel date. Yeah,
of
so
course.
we will cover everything on that. So just message us on our social media. We have a Facebook account, and we also have TikTok, so just message us there. And then we also have WhatsApp account. So please take note of our Dubai number, that's 050-599-2041. And we also have a Philippine number at 0917-113-2609. Thank you so much, Travel Buddies.
And for those mentioned numbers, you can connect with us sa ating WhatsApp account.
Yeah.
And with that, shoutout muna tayo.
Yeah, go.
We do have from John Cristobal Monforte. Magandang hapon mga kapatid ka Travel Buddies, Clark and Andrew.
Thank you so much.
And from Sally Rojas, hi daw to Wife and Clark. And
Thank you. Enjoy your vacation.
yes, and Tito Dennis Lacson Lidesma from Yeshua.
Oh, thank you.
And from Art Almendras, good evening Sir Clark and Sir Andrew.
Thank you so much.
And of course, coming from John Miguel Arcelo Berturan. Hello Sir Clark and Sir Andrew, how are you po? Ingat palagi. Yan.
Yeah, thank you so much. Just I know you guys, you will learn a lot, especially if you want to travel with your partner in the future. But this our focus topic is more on a relationship with your partner, on how you establish a stronger connection with your partner through traveling. So we help you create, here in Jetliner Express, we help you create a memorable package, okay, especially for your partner. So we design a special package for you, so that's available online on our website, and we can help you do customization. So just let us know. We provide you the best and memorable tour packages for your partner and of course for you. Okay?
Napanglatin natin mga ka-travel buddies. Pertaining to this topic that we had for today, hindi lang naman siya, although we're intended to reach the couple travel buddies, no? But kahit mga singles naman tayo, like me, no need to, wala tayong dapat na, nothing to worry. It's still open naman siya.
Alam mo, ano lang yan, mali, kasi itong couple tour, hindi naman ibig sabihin na dapat couple kayo eh. Pwede rin naman sabihin natin na you're brothers, okay? You can travel with your friends. Special friends. Okay? Kung sabihin natin, naniligaw ka pa. O at least you have plans on your mind, you know. Sige, regaluhan ko kaya ito ng package, no? O kaya naman, bago na kayong kasal. Yung mga honeymoon. Di ba?
Yes.
So, magandang-maganda to. And what else? For example, you know, your love of your life is your daughter, your only daughter or your only son. You can also do a couple tour.
Or besties.
Yes, best friends, di ba? So, this is not limited sa ano lang, sa mag-partners. No?
Of course, yan.
So, this is open to anyone, di ba?
And again, shout out kay Kim Infante. He's watching right now sa ating jetliner.
Thank you so much!
And of course, coming from Ren, hello po Sir Clark and Andrew. Diyan sa lahat natin mga
Thank you so much,
ka-travel
thank you.
buddies, kung saang bansa kayo nandun. Good afternoon kung nandito kayo sa Middle East, and good evening naman nasa mga Asian countries.
Yes, and also to our friends here in United Arab Emirates, thank you so much. Whatever is your nationality, I'm so glad that you're now part of our Jetliner Express family, and we're increasing. You know, I've seen a lot of Indian friends, the Arab friends that are messaging us, you know, on our TikTok account. So thank you so much for your support. So I think we can start now with our main topic, guys.
Yes, we're discussing about the smart planning. Ano ba yung smart planning?
Smart planning in creating a memorable couple tour. Siguro before we you know share our tawag dito, own opinion, okay? Better we call our friend, okay? She's our guest, as I mentioned earlier. Her name is Marianne Mosquiza. So she's now in Abu Dhabi. We will call her now. Woo! I hope she gonna answer the call. So i-loudspeaker lang natin, brother. So para yan. Kaibigan yan ni Miss Sally, si Marianne.
Yani, right? Yani.
Yani yan. Her nickname is Yani. Yeah. So,
Hello, Clarky.
hi, Yani.
Hi.
Thank you for joining us on our live today. Thank you for accepting our invitation. How are you?
I'm good, thanks, and thanks for having me today.
Oh, ang ganda ng boses ha, para husky ah. Umayos ka daw kasi si Ate Sally nanonood. Well, Yani, how are you? How are you now? How's your feeling?
Well, I'm doing good and snuggling with Bobby, so it's all fine. How about you?
Wow. Well, I'm doing fine. I'm so happy. Thank you for asking, Yani. But you know, I believe you already have the idea regarding our topic today. It's all about couple tour. Are you excited to share your experiences?
Yes, of course.
Di ba parang pag-DJ, no? Ang boses. Parang ano ba? Yung di ba?
DJ, pa yung segment na program.
Pag hot babes. Okay. Alright. So, I'm just kidding, Yani. You know, Yan, can you tell us, you know, your experience when you visited a certain place with your partner? At saka kailan siya?
Yeah, okay, sure. Traveling with a partner can be one of the most rewarding experience, but it's also a pressure cooker. Yeah.
Wow, straight English, ha? Good job.
Oo nga, seryoso nga. Nag-travel kami last 2022 sa Italy. Yun yung first couple travel.
Out of the country.
Oo. Pero hindi kami magkasabay mag-flight. Nauna siya sa akin, tapos the following day saka ako sumunod.
Bakit? Ba't hindi kayo nagsabay?
Ano na kasi yun eh, last minute na kasi yung tawag nito, confirmation ko noon kasi dapat hindi ako sasama, tapos end of the day, ayun, saka ako nag-decide. So, humabol na lang ako, magkaiba kami ng flight.
Okay.
So, nauna siya sa akin doon, tapos nahuli ako.
I see. Pero, how many days kayo nagstay sa Italy?
10 days ata.
Uy, mahaba din yun. So, maraming memories yun.
Nakalimutan ko, hindi ako sure, or 7 days.
Okay. So, mga 1 week, more or less 1 week. Okay,
more
that's
or
fine. So, 2022, kasagsagan yan ng pandemic,
Oo, pandemic nga. So, marami kaming hindi napuntahan, gawa na ang daming restrictions. So, hanggang Rome at saka Florence na ata kami nun. I'm not sure.
Rome and
Pero
Florence.
nagpunta pala kami ng Venice.
Wow, napaka-romantic place.
Yes.
Well, Yani, bakit kayo nakapag-decide na mag-tour together? So, ano yung, before kasi kayo mag-travel, di ba? So, bakit yung naisipan mag-travel together?
May
Or
office
pinangarap
mate
mo ba yun?
Hindi na, siguro sa partner ko yun, pinangarap niya. Pero sa akin kasi that time, hindi pa ako sure na travel ako. Kasi nga, syempre marami pa akong ibang priorities, hindi na muna yung pagta-travel. So, nung time kasi na yun, nagkaroon kami ng chance gawa ng office mate ng partner ko. So, binigyan niya kami ng invitation letter. Tsaka, may asawa kasi siyang lokal.
Italian.
So, yun ang nag-process ng namin, invitation letter. So, to make the story short, yun, na-aprobahan naman. So, nakalusot kami. So, nakapag-travel kami. So, ayun na nga, hindi talaga naiiwasan yung pressure nung una.
So, since na-mention mo yung pressure, ano yung mga struggles and pressures or challenges na na-encounter ninyo together as a couple? Since first time nito traveling together, di ba?
Yung una, sa time, kasi alam mo naman ako, si Bagal. Alam mo naman ako, always late. Pero nung time na yon, talaga siya, hindi kami nagkaroon ng clear communication gawa ng sa internet. Hindi ako agad nakakonect nung paglapag ko dun sa Italy. Kasi nga, sumabit. Busy kasi ako that time, tapos hindi ko naisipang mag-connect agad sa internet. Kasi nga, hinarang ako sa customs.
Oh.
Pinabuksan sa akin yung mga bag ko, bakit daw ang dami kong dala, ganito, chu. Tapos sabi ko sa kanila, may naman kayo, may scanner naman kayo, bakit niyo ba kailangan buksan yung isa kong bag, isa-isahin niyo pa, di may hirapan na akong ibalik yon. Tapos ayun, sabi naman,
nagmaldita ka ba doon?
Oo, nagmaldita ako, na-visit kasi ako, late na kasi ako nakalapag, siguro mga midnight na.
Okay.
So,
tapos pagod na yan.
Oo, tapos sinarang pa ako. Nung time na yon pala, sobrang lamig na pala sa labas, tsaka umaambon. Tapos hinanap ako ng partner ko, hindi niya ako makagilap. Tapos eventually, nakakonect ako ng tawag na to, internet. Hindi siya unang naniwala sa akin na hinarang ako doon sa customs.
Okay.
Sabi ko, kaya nga ako natagalan kasi nga hinarang ako doon. Tapos nag-away muna kami sa labas bago kami umalis.
Okay. Ang saya naman nun.
Tapos ayun, diretso na kami sa hotel na napag-stayhan namin. So ayun, okay naman, nagkabati din kami.
That's good. At least saglit lang, no? Bago kayo matulog, nagkaayos naman kayo ulit. That's normal, no? Nagkaroon ng miscommunication din, no? So, ano yung natutunan mo, Yani? Dun sa travel niya sa Italy, since 'di ba meron talaga kayong differences together eh, 'di ba? Meron din yun, may mga challenges like yung flight mo, yung custom, hinarang ka, tapos may pandemic pa. So, ano yung mga natutunan mo during that travel?
Ang natutunan ko during the travel na hanggang ngayon dala-dala ko pa rin is yung siguro sa mga gamit. Kailangan magbawas ng mga gamit na unnecessary gamit na hindi mo namang dati kasi 'di ba first time kong mag-travel so ang dami kong dala-dalang trench coat.
Okay.
Nag-oote.
Ano pa, by the way, anong season pala to?
Winter.
Kaya pala. Okay, okay. I
Yeah.
understand. Okay.
Oo. Tapos, nung suot-suot ko na siya that time, ang lamig pa rin, tumatalab pa rin ang lamig, tapos ang bigat sa katawan. Tsaka
Mm-mm.
may mga dala din akong, boots.
Okay. Mabigat din
Kaya,
yan.
mabigat, tapos puro ako pantos. So, ayun, yun ang pinaka natutunan ko, yun talaga. So, next time siguro hindi na ako magdadala ng mga ganong gamit. Hindi na nagmamatter sa amin yung OOTD na yan. As long as meron ka namang pamalitan everyday, mahalaga talaga yung thermal, tsaka
Correct.
yung puffer na jacket. Yun ang
Yes.
pinakamahalaga, tsaka medyas. Tsaka
Oo.
yung shoes, dapat yung shoes mo is waterproof kasi pag nabasa yun, pag hindi siya waterproof kasi pag nababasa yun, sobrang lamig.
Totoo,
Doon na
maninigas yung daliri sa paa.
Oo. So, yun naman ang natutunan ko so far. So, nung next travel namin, hindi ko na siya ginamit. Iba na yung mga gamit ko.
So ano yung nakatulong ba tong travel na to sa inyong relationship as a couple or nag-worsen pa tong travel na to?
So far, I would say parehas lang.
Napaka-honest mo Okay. Tapos,
Parang wala namang nagbago. Ayun.
pero sabi mo parang hindi siya nagbago. Parang ano sa tingin mo para maging strong palalo yung connection ninyo? Kasi ilang years na ba kayo?
6 years na.
6 years. Nung time na nag-travel kayo sa Italy, ilang years pa kayo nun?
Siguro 3 years. Ay, teka lang.
2022, 2025 ngayon.
Parang more
So
than 3
that's
years.
3 years. More than 3 years. So, yeah. So mga 3 years then, more or less, no?
Mm-mm.
Okay. So imagine mo, no? Siguro, do you think yung travel ninyo sa Italy na more or less 1 week is naka-help para ma-sustain yung relationship? Mas nakilala nyo ba together yung sarili niyo during that travel? Kasi you have differences, di ba? May sarili siyang character, ikaw din meron din ka ding character, meron kang gusto, meron din siyang ayaw, di ba? So, ito bang travel niyo mas nakilala yung ang sarili niyo?
Oo naman. Tsaka most likely nagmi-meet kami halfway kasi kung kung parehas kaming dalawang, alam mo na yun, mainit ang ulo, tapos mainit ang ulo ko, di sabog talaga. So, most likely nagmi-meet talaga kami halfway, especially sa pupuntahan namin, sa pagkain.
Okay.
Gano'n.
And one more thing, no, Yani. Kasi isa sa mga tanong paano yung budgeting ninyo? Ano ba to?
Equally divided kami, pero that time kasi hindi pa ako ganun ka-capable eh. So, medyo mataas-taas yung nagastos niya.
Pero may sharing din talaga.
Oo. May
Okay.
sharing.
So, gaano ka-importante yung budgeting, especially for this couple tour? Syempre kayong dalawa yung mag-uusap, magkano yung budget, kanyan, sino yung in charge dito. So, gaano siya ka-importante na pinag-uusapan yan at pinagpaplanuhan?
Napaka-importante yun kasi kung puro lang kasi asa sa isa, burden naman kasi. So, dapat nagkakasundo kayo doon pa lang sa budgeting.
Correct. Thank you. Ang ganda ng sinabi ni Yani, di ba? Mga ka-travel buddies. And one more thing, no? Ano yung ma-advise mo sa mga couple out there na hindi pa nila na-experience yung mag-travel together? Especially international travel yung na-experience mo, no? Yun yung kauna-unahan pa. Social ka talaga. Yung iba kasi gusto mag-couple tour somewhere in the Philippines, local destination muna. So ano yung mapapayo mo sa mga baguhan pa sa mga relationship? Mga sabihin natin, mga less than 1 year pa lang sila. So, getting to know each other. Tapos, they're planning na mag-travel together. So, anong maipapayo mo?
Ang maipapayo ko lang sa kanila is siguro bago ang lahat, pag-usapan nila muna yung especially itinerary, tapos yung budget, mahalaga yon yung budget, tsaka clear communication para smooth yung travel nila. Hindi mag-away in between sa mga plano nila. Pagplanuhan talaga ng maigi bago mag-travel.
Okay, very well said. And how about payo mo naman sa mga, kasi pwede rin kasi yung couple tour sa mga seniors na eh. Halimbawa, yung mga matatanda na, no? Tapos hindi pa sila nakapag-travel together, tumanda na lang, takot hindi pa nakapag-travel, no? Kung kailan sila retired, dun pa sila makakapag-travel. Ano yung mapapayo mo naman sa kanila?
Ang mapapayo ko sa kanila, hanggat kaya nila, hanggat capable sila, mag-travel na sila ng mag-travel. Kasi nga, pagdating ng matanda na kung kailan sasakit ang tuhod, so mahihirapan na sila. Hindi na nila mapupuntahan yung mga lugar na gusto nilang tignan. Hindi na nila ma-experience. Though makikita nila, pero yung mga activities doon, hindi na nila ma-experience kasi marami ng mararamdamang sakit.
May
So
maraming
habang bata pa at kaya pa nila, i-try na nila. I-experience na nila yun. Kasi nga, hindi isang beses, hindi naman sa isang beses, pero hindi na kasi natin mababalikan yung mga past na mga mangyayari.
Thank you. And, Yani, babalik ka pa ba ng Italia?
Yeah, soon. Pabalik pa ako doon, of course. Ang sarap doon ng gelato. Gusto ko yung gelato doon.
Yung gelato nila. Lemonito. Gusto ko yung lemonito nila.
Yes.
Anyway, thank you, Yani, ha, sa time mo. And please send my regards to your partner. Salamat.
Sure.
And
Thank you for having me.
thank you, Yani. And please help and support our live every week, ha?
Sure, as always.
Thank you, Yani. God bless you.
God bless you.
And enjoy your vacation there in Abu Dhabi.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Alright, there you go, coming from our guest, Miss Marian Mosquesa.
Yes, thank you, Yani. Ano yung takeaways mo doon, brother? Ang ganda ng mga sinabi niya, di ba?
You need to prepare, of course. Kung may kasama ka, like your partner, you need to understand everything, to plan the every details. Kasi mahirap naman yung like nung sa in case nila na hindi sila sabay pumunta, and then hindi nila na-anticipate yung mga rules or policy or regulations ng immigration or ng customs, like that. Yun, kailangan talagang as much as possible maging clear, or kung ano lang naman siya, like short trip or ilang days lang, iwasan natin na dala ng maraming gamit. And aside from that, magustuhan ko rin yung sinabi niya na it was the time for them na makilala niya yung isa't isa.
Tama.
The quality time together. Aside sa na-enjoy niyo yung time together, of course, the food and the vicinity of that place.
Actually, ko rin kasi ito, talagang walang perfect na itinerary. Ito yung parati ko sinasabi sa mga kasama natin sa jetliner. Take note of this. Huwag kayong mag-expect too much. Kasi walang perfect itinerary. Pero, may successful na tour.
Yes.
So, bakit ko nasabi yun? Kasi may mga instances kasi na kahit napakaganda na ng itinerary mo, may mga situation na unexpected eh. Pwede niyong pag-awayan together. Pwede niyong hindi pagkaintindihan. Katulad nung kinuwento ni Yani na nagkaroon ng problem sa custom. And that's uncontrollable. Di ba? So, paano tapos after nun, nagkaroon pa sila ng away, di ba? Pagkalabas ng airport. So, unang araw pa lang medyo may problem na. Diba? So, yun, siguro, we just need to understand na may mga ganun talagang cases. Kaya dapat lagi tayong handa. Tama
Open mind.
sinabi ni Yani. No, before umalis, tamang preparation. Diba? Tapos, kasi plano dapat nila, pagkakaalam ko, pupunta pa sila ng ibang bansa sa Europe hindi lang Italy. Dahil nga nagkaroon ng pandemic, nagkaroon ng
Limited.
border closure.
Yes.
So, kaya limitado lang napunta nila. But so far, sabi nga ni Yani, she still wanted to go back to Italy. Kasi nagandahan daw talaga. At masarap yung gelato. So, yun. And I hope guys, you know, you've learned something from Yani and to this discussion. Sa Jetliner Express naman, we help you do the planning together. Okay? Pakinggan namin ang inyong mga gusto puntahan, activities na gusto nyo pupuntahan, and we will also help you create an itinerary that will fit your needs and wants.
And of course, ng budget.
And also the budget. We will also help you with all of the travel documents, help you with, give you some tips on what to bring, and in fact, when you get some tour packages from us, we also give you a free eSIM subscription. So you may have access to the internet right away once you landed to the country of your destination. Yeah.
There you have it, mga ka-travel buddies. So hopefully, talagang may natutunan tayo for today's discussion dito sa ating live session. And continue to support, share, and like our Jetliner pages dito sa Facebook account and of course sa ating TikTok account.
Yes, guys. And thank you so much for all of our friends out there, to all our travel buddies. We have a live session this Thursday, same time. Still, our topic is about couple tour. No?
Couple tour.
This week is more on couple tour. So,
Yes.
sa mga hindi pa naka-join today, invite your friends, invite your family members to listen to this very nice discussion about, you know, planning, smart planning about creating a
Memorable.
successful and memorable
Couple
couple
tour.
tour. Yeah.
Alright.
Yun. And before I let you go, before we let you go, travel buddies, Jetliner Express have different promotions for Schengen tourist visa. For all our UAE residents, we are down to 399 dirhams. This is valid until March 31 of 2026. We help you everything, all your travel documents, setting an appointment, help you with the embassy form, and a lot more. That also includes cover letter, flight reservations, hotel accommodations, and travel insurance. So, wala na kayong iisipin pa. For all our friends out there in the Philippines, Schengen visa assistance is down to 8,500. Same package. So, it's only 8,500. That's valid until March 31. And for Turkey visa, for UAE residents who wants to visit Istanbul, Ankara, Anatolia, and anywhere, Pamulake, Cappadocia in Turkey, you know, our visa assistance is only 350 dirhams. And again, we help you everything, all of the documents, and setting up an appointment as well, no? So wala na kayong problema pa. So please watch out as well for our upcoming tour packages for solo traveler that will be launched by January, and we also have couple tour available sa Holiday 2 shop, guys. And please message us for those who wants to inquire for our Boracay package, Palawan package, Siargao, Davao, Cebu, Bohol, Ilocos, Baguio City, Sagada, Bicol region, Batanes. No, I love Batanes, brother.
Yes.
And you know, yun, meron din tayong mga international sa Southeast Asia, no? Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Nepal, meron din somewhere in Brunei, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore. No? We also have packages in Hong Kong, Macau, Taiwan, Mongolia, China, Japan, South Korea. And, by next week, brother, this Saturday is our flight to United Kingdom. Please join me as, we travel England and Scotland and some parts of Schengen countries this coming Christmas holiday and New Year's, New Year's Day. So, papakita natin kung gaano kaganda ang Europa and para ma-encourage ko kayo na kumuha ng visa assistance sa amin at kumuha ng tour packages sa Jetliner Express. Thank you so much!
And before we go, guys, sa ating mga ka-travel buddies, habulan tayo ng shoutout kay Gami Vlog. Good evening, idol. Shoutout naman from San Remio, Cebu.
Hi! Thank you! Thank you for your support, guys. And please watch our live session next week. This coming Thursday. I'm sorry. This coming Thursday, no? And please like, share, so you will have a chance to win 1,000 pesos voucher on January 6th. January 6th is our raffle draw, okay?
Yes. See you again, mga ka-travel buddies, this coming Thursday. That would be December 18.
December 18. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much for all our guests and our supporters, travel buddies. Thank you, and I love you guys. This is Clark.
And I'm your travel buddy, Andrew. See you again. Bye-bye.
Bye.